Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect music track for your video or worried about copyright issues, then this video is for you. Today, I'm introducing you to a powerful platform that gives you access to over 200,000 royalty-free tracks, complete with smart filters that help you quickly find exactly what you need. On top of that, it offers tools to create your own custom music from scratch, with full editing, stem splitting, and personalization options. One of the standout features of this platform is Resona, an AI tool that automatically generates soundtracks that match your video scenes. No more manual beat matching, syncing, or music editing headaches. And the best part? Every track you generate comes with full commercial rights, so you can safely use your music across YouTube, social media, films, podcasts, and more, completely copyright-free. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard. Right at the top, you'll find a search bar that lets you explore the massive music library using advanced filters to discover tracks that suit your mood, genre, or theme. Now here's where things get really exciting. Let's talk about the Resona feature. This tool uses AI to analyze your video and automatically build a soundtrack that fits perfectly. All you need to do is click on the Resona tab, upload your video, and hit Get Started. Within seconds, TemPolor analyzes the content and composes music that aligns beautifully with the visuals. It's that smooth. On the left side, under Soundtrack Solutions, you'll also find more options to further tweak and fine-tune your audio. Under the Search tab, you'll find a vast music library with thousands of tracks. Browse and select your favorite music with ease. If you'd rather create your own song from scratch, that's just as easy. Simply type in a mood or concept and let TemPolor do the rest. For example, safari rhythms and lo-fi music tracks. After clicking Generate, the AI instantly composes your custom track.
Lord, beat the song where wild winds roam, dusty trails and ancient stone, footprints fading, golden sand, whispers call across the land, colors blend in twilight's glow, echoes move where rivers flow, silent beats in jungle's breath, nature sings the dance of death.
The result? Two beautifully crafted music options based on your idea.
The baking sun trails unwind, dust and leaves to the wanderer mind. Secret sing where shadows play, whispers of trees guide the stray. Golden dust in the accord, serenity in this moment sought. Feet train past where wild winds roam, in the heart of nature's home. Beats like the drums from the deep.
Want to take things even further? Head to the music editing panel on the left. Here, you can turn on MIDI rendering, use the Start modifier to guide how the music evolves, and even add lyrics, either with auto-generated content or your own custom-written ones. If you're looking to include vocals in your track, you can choose from a variety of AI-powered singer voices.
In the city where the beats collide, rhythms flow like a rising tide. Voices echo through the in the twilight we wander through.
And if you really want to personalize your track, you can use the voice cloning feature. You can clone your voice and generate the music in your own vocal. Sound amazing, right? We will try the voice cloning tab later. Once you select the singer voice and add the lyrics, finally hit the generate button.
Across the floor, lost whispers in the empty chairs hold no stories, just the weight of coming doom, shattered dreams beneath the stars, broken lies and distant scars.
Now let's move on to the voice cloning tab. Just upload or record a short voice sample. Let TemPolor process it, and you'll be able to generate a song sung in your very own voice. Finally, hit Create button.
Sunlight dances on the morning street. Laughter where the children meet. Skies so wide and free. Every step with joy and full of beat.
And that's it, it's generate the music track in my voice. Another brilliant feature is the Instrumentals tab, where you can create music based on videos or even images. Upload your media, click Generate Music, and TemPolor will compose a soundtrack that perfectly fits. I tested it with a short clip. And within seconds, it created a matching instrumental that felt made for the scene. Then there's the stamp splitter, an incredibly useful tool that breaks your song into stems, vocals, drums, bass, and more. This is ideal for remixing, detailed edits, or mastering. Just upload your track, let the platform process it, and download the separated elements. So there you have it. With TemPolor, creating high-quality AI-generated music has never been easier. Even with a free account, you can do a lot. And if you want to unlock premium features like official usage certificates, upgrading to Pro is totally worth it. Go ahead, try it out, and start making your own music today. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.